Dear students, welcome back. Today we will be discussing a new class, image class. So in Java Applet, image class is used to load and display images, and this image class is a part of, or that is contained in java.awt package. AWT stands for Abstract Window Toolkit. So image class is an entry in AWT package class that provides support for imaging. What is imaging? Imaging is the display and manipulation of graphical images. So in our image class, an image is a rectangular graphical object. That means image is an object of image class that appears to be as a rectangle graphical object. The display of any image object is in rectangular form. That is the meaning. Three common operations that occur when we work with images are creating an image, loading an image, displaying an image. Creating an image means we are creating an object of image class. Loading an image means we are using some methods to load a particular image along with the object, and that object is displaying the image. That is the third step. By using the created object, we will be displaying the image, actual image. So three steps are there. First one, creating an image. That means image class object is created. Loading an image means we will be giving initialization to the newly created object. So we are specifying where to take the image, or the URL or path name associated with the image, and the actual image name. That is loading an image. Then the third step is displaying an image onto the applet window. So here, for loading and displaying an image, we need help from two other methods. First one, either from code base, or the second one, get document base. We will be getting help from any one of these two methods. So get code base and get document base, these are the two APIs or methods used to collect the URL or path name of the image object. So code base or get code base method returns the directory from which the applet's class file was loaded as a URL object. So used to retain the base URL, get code base method is used. On the other hand, get document base retains the URL of the document in which applet is embedded. So that means that retains the directory holding HTML file that started the applet. Otherwise, get document base retains the document in which applet is embedded. So that means that retains the URL of the document in which applet is embedded. So that is the HTML file URL. So for getting HTML file URL where our actual image file is there, that particular HTML file URL is retained by get document base. So creating an object, image object. So we will be first using the class image for creating an image object, then loading image object by using getImage method, then displaying an image using drawImage method. So here two different methods are there, getImage and drawImage. So getImage uses two arguments. First one is URL and the second one is image name. So there are two different forms for getImage. The first one only with the URL. The second one is having two parameters. First one is the URL and second one is the name of the image. So normally we will be using the second form, that is getImage with two arguments. First argument, the document code base or document base, otherwise the second one, image name. But for displaying an image, we will be having an API or method, that is drawImage. So draw image is having different parameters. So first one is the image object. So here we are creating in the first step we are creating an image object. That image object name is specified here, and the left, top, width, height, and the pointer to be assigned to the image. All these things are specified as different parameter along with draw image. So this is the simple example for displaying an image. So here we are having the support from AWT package and Applet package classes. Then we have specified the Applet class name, public class symbol image load, extends Applet. Then we have specified an image type of object name or instance for an image is specified. So inside init method we are loading that image. So first image object is created, then loading of image. So get image is the method used here to load the image. So get code base, otherwise you can use get document base here. Then tulips.jpg, that is the name of the image to be displayed. So now the second step is over. Here image object is created, then loading of image is done in the initialization method, init method. Then the paint method, actually the paint method with the support of graphics class, drawing the image. So in actually we had seen draw text or draw string for displaying strings onto the applet window. Here for displaying images, draw image is the method used. So draw image first argument or parameter is the image object name, that is img. Then where to display the coordinate x and y coordinate value, top and left value specified as a coordinator, that is x and y, xy coordinates 150 50. Then width and height of the applet window is specified. Then specified this pointer. So on execution the applet window will display tulips.jpg image just like this. So before that we need to create HTML file. There we have to specify applet code is equal to symbol image load, that dot class, that is the applet name. So symbol image load, this is the applet name. So that after compilation we will be getting a class file. That file name is specified as the code parameter value for applet. Then width and height of the display area is specified. After that tulip will be displayed from this position, that is the xy position specified in draw image method, following the width and height value. See, next thing is playing music using applets. So how to play audio files using applets? So we need to get the help of event class here. It's an event model. On pressing a particular button we need to play an audio, and on clicking on a stop button we need to stop playing of that audio. So audio file supported by Java or musical instrument digital interface or MIDI file, rich music format or RMF file, wave format, AIFF or audio interchange file format, AU format, etc. Play method of alphabet class is used to play music. So we have an API known as play that is used to play music. Steps to play audio in Java applet. First step is to declare an object of audio clip class. For that we have audio clip class followed by an instance music is specified there, that is assigned something that is equal to get audio clip followed by URL and file name. We can see how the URL value and file name can be specified. The second step is to play the music using play method. For that, audio clip get audio clip method is used. So audio clip is the class name there, get audio clip is the method of audio clip class. So we will be using get audio clip method for playing the music. So actually play is the method for playing the audio file. So returns an audio clip object that encapsulates the audio clip found at the location specified by the URL. For getting the URL value, either we will be using get code base or get document base. So in this case, audio clip we will be using get code base. In the previous example we had used get document base because that was an image. So an example is specified here. So instead of this example, I have already created one that I will show at the end of this slide. So here we need to get the help of AWT package, Applet package, net package, event package. Okay, so AWT.event abstract window toolkit event model we have to implement here. So applet code is equal to music applet. So that is the name of our applet class. Height is equal to 400, width is equal to 400. So here this music applet extends applet and implements action listener, because action listener is an interface that supports event model. So event generation and event handling is implemented using action listener interface. So audio clip music, we have created an instance for audio clip. So whatever things or AWT controls are we are adding, that should be specified as global values before any of the methods. So in init method we need to make all these things as objects, so we need to assign values. So here inside init music instance is giving value. Before that we have declared that. For example, you need to declare play and stop button, so that should be declared before init method. So here button is specified inside init method, so it's not a good practice. So you need to specify button p outside of init method. So after audio clip music you have to specify button p, and inside init method instead of specifying button p you just specify p is equal to new button. So instead of button p you have to specify only p, because the button class name and instance is specified or declared outside of init. So any of the methods can access the p object. Okay, so here music is equal to, that is audio clip instance music is equal to get audio clip. So that is the method for loading an audio file. Get code base, then space music.au. So this is the audio file, au is the file format or extension to the file. Then object p for button class is created, new button play. So p stands for play. So here button p is equal to new button play. So this play is the caption of the button and p is the name of the button object. So that is added, add p. Then we are registering that button with the event model. So action listener is the method here, add action listener is the method here. So that is a part of this action listener interface, that is a member of action listener interface. So p dot add action listener, this is the pointer. So here button is the class name, p is the instance of button class. Now new button play will give necessary memory support and all other things. Play is the name of the or caption of the button. Object name is p. So p should be added to the event model. So add method is used, the parameter is the button object. Then this p is registered with event class, that is action listener. So add action listener will register this P object with the event model. Now we have to implement another method, so that is action performed. Public void action performed. On clicking the button, play button, we need to play the actual audio file. For that we will be implementing action performed method. The argument or parameter for action performed is action event, that also we have specified. Here string s is equal to e dot get action command. So get action command will give the caption of that button object. P is the name of the object, button object. The caption of the button object is play. So that is stored in S. So this string variable is having play, that is the caption of the button P. So if play dot equals S, so S, suppose X returns play, both are equals, then this if condition will be returning true. In that case music dot play will play the audio file. So music dot play, music is the object we have created here. So this is the audio clip object. Audio clip object dot play will play the actual audio file, that is space music dot au, that is the specified loaded audio file using the get audio clip method. Suppose you need to stop or loop the clip, you have another method, stop and loop. So music dot stop will stop the method or stop the audio file. Music dot loop will loop continuously, you need to play the audio, then you need to specify the loop method. Okay, so these are the three different methods along with audio clip. Music dot play for playing an audio clip. Suppose you need to stop the audio clip, stop is the method. For that we need to again execute get action command. Suppose e dot get action command returns stop. In that case music dot stop will stop the audio is being played. Suppose another button is there, that caption is loop, then e dot get action command will return loop. If loop dot equals s returns true and music dot loop is there, then continuously that audio file will be playing. So here in our case we have only implemented one play button, that is P, its caption is play. So P new button play, that is added and registered with the event model. So on clicking this play, audio will be played in the background. We have not implemented stop and loop button. Okay, so next thing is managing fonts. So different font names, font styles and font sizes are there. So in java.awt class package there is a font class. This font class is used to customize our fonts. We can specify different font faces, font styles, that is bold, italics, underline, etc. Then size of the font 12 point, 16 point, 30 point, that we can customize. For that we are using font class. See, so this line font f is equal to new font Arial font dot bold 30. So this f will retain a font of type Arial and style bold and the size 30. Okay, so different style constants are there. Here we have used bold. So plain style is there, bold style is there, italics there, bold plus font italic. So we have used these two values here, font dot bold plus font dot italic. So bold and italic. Suppose font dot plain plus font dot italic you are giving, then plain text in italic style. That is the output representation. Font name, some of the example font names are specified here. So the well-known and the most famous Courier, Arial, Times New Roman, Helvetica, Comic Sans, MS, etc. You can choose from all these font names. One output is specified here. Welcome to FISAT Engineering College, Mokanur. So this particular program displays this output. So how we got this output? So we have changed the style of different lines and text and its size and style. So import java.awt, applet is specified there. No need for event class, event package not needed in this case. So here public class welcome window extends applet, public void paint, font f1, f2, f3. We have specified 3 different fonts, f1, f2, f3. f1 is equal to new font Helvetica, font.bold 20, f2 another style, Arial is used, font.bold and 24 is the size, f3 new font Times Roman, font.italic 18 is the size. So we have set font method for choosing from these 3 different font objects. F1, so here a set font F1 is used first, and the string to be drawn is welcome to. So F1 is having Helvetica style, font.bold and 20, that is the size of the font. So welcome to will be displayed with respect to font F1. So here again font set font F2, font type is changed. So FISAT Engineering College will be displayed in Arial font face, that will be in bold, and the size is increased to 24. Then font F3 is set here by using g.get set font F3, drawstring Mokanur 75150. So Mokanur will be in Times New Roman, italics, and 18 is the size. So this is the output. Okay. Likewise, we can add different more font objects. We can change the font face, font style, font size, etc. So another code is here. So here font, my font is equal to new font Times New Roman, font.italic 24. Set font my font. So set font is the method for setting a particular font that we have created as font object. So here the next line drawstring will display hello Java, that will be using this customized font object style. Here font f is equal to g.get font, string font name is equal to f.get name. So here we have 2 things. New font object is created by using get font method, and the font name from f is extracted using get name. Get name will return a font object's font face name, face value. So in our my font case, Times New Roman is the font face name. So get name will return, suppose my font dot get name is the statement over here, then that will return Times New Roman. Okay. So here g dot drawstring font name, that will be displayed. Then font size, get size is the method to get the size of the font. Then font style is returned by using get style. So these 3 values are drawn by using drawstring method in an applet window. So font name will be something, font size will be something, font style will be something. So the output will be font name Times New Roman, font size 24, font style 2. So 2 is the bold style, italic style. So we will be having different styles, font dot plain, font dot bold, font dot italic. Okay, so font italic is the second style.